In today's video, I will show you how to create a banner for your Shopify store. Welcome to the tutorial. If you're new to Shopify and just getting started, then this tutorial is for you. I will be guiding you step by step through the whole process. Hey everyone, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online businesses, mindset, and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We are inside our Shopify dashboard. So here on the dashboard are a few quick buttons, but we are going to start with branding and logo. Branding and logo is a very important part of your brand. However, if you already have a brand name and a logo, then please feel free to skip this part. We are going to start by going to canva.com and then click create a design and then click logo. The free version has all the options that you will need. I'll leave a link for this in my description box below. Alright, so now we are going to pick a name for our brand and then create our logo. For the purpose of this video, we are setting up a kitchenware store. Alright, so on the sidebar, we will go to designs and then on the search bar, we will type something like kitchen or home goods. Okay, so I have selected this beige template. If you click this plus sign, it will create an exact duplicate image below. Now we have clicked the backspace on the image and so the background has become white. We can very easily change the background color from the color box above, but for this video we are keeping this background color and we are going to work with this. If you click on these images, you will be able to move them, resize them, or even delete them. I'm not very happy with the design, so we are gonna go ahead and change it. We are gonna go to elements and then we're gonna try to find something that we like. I like this element, so we are going to center align it, go to the color box, see if we want to change the color. We're going to leave this black and we are also going to use this brand name home goods store that came with the template. Now this is a course and a tutorial. When you select a name for your brand, make sure to do proper research and check on the availability of the name. Use your creativity to create your logo. Once you're happy with it, click share on the top right corner and download your file in PNG format in high res. Now for product photos, I absolutely suggest a photo shoot, but in case you're unable to do it, you can get started with stock photos and Pexels is a very good website for that. We are inside our Shopify dashboard. Click online store and then we are going to start by choosing a theme. Once you have selected themes, we are going to then scroll down and we are going to click visit theme store. Choosing the right theme plays a very important role as it ties into the look and feel of your website. You will be able to customize these themes as per your liking, but it'll be easier for you to pick one which has most of the options. There are paid themes and free themes. We're gonna click free and then we're gonna see what options we have. I suggest you take your time, check all the features out. So let's select the Dawn theme and check it out. So it's a free theme, it has these features, and if you want to see how the layout will look like, you can simply click view demo store and you can also directly try the theme from here. So let's go ahead and do view demo store. So this is how Dawn looks. This is how your website will look like once you set it up. This looks quite good to me, so let's go ahead with this one. Let's click try theme and now it's been added to our store. And once we do this, our theme will load here in our theme library. Now let's right click the customize button and we will open the theme editor in a new tab. So this is our theme editor and on the left side there is a sidebar with all the options. We will be editing everything on the sidebar and the results will be displayed on the right side. We have our theme editor set as desktop view, but you can check the mobile view. We are going to work with the desktop version because the mobile version will automatically get set once you set up the desktop version. So whatever theme you choose, even if it's a free one or a paid one, all the themes will have the header section and the footer section just like this one. And in between that is the template section where we will add all our pages. So all the themes will come with their own sections. So this one came with an image banner and the featured collection. So each of these sections contain blocks within the section. For example, the image banner has this image section where you can also put a heading and then there's also the buttons. And inside of it, it has options for you to make the text large, medium, or small. Now, if we click the shop all button, it'll take us to the button section on the sidebar. And then also you can go to the home page on the sidebar and go directly to these links. Here, if we click buttons, it will also bring us to the same page. Now, inside of the buttons, we have button link, which we will create, and that will take us to different sections and pages. So when you click here, you can see all of these options. So we are going to create these pages and then link them. To add an image to the image banner, we can simply click on the image area itself and then we can upload or add images from here. So to upload the image, we can simply upload from here. For this example, we are uploading our logo file that we created a while back. But for the image banner, try to upload something which looks really great. It could be a photo shoot that you have done for your product. If you decide to get stock photos, make sure that it's something that will really attract your customers. So that's how our banner is looking. We need to change the overlay of the text. This is the image overlay opacity. You can use this if you want, and then the banner height, you can make whatever size you want depending on the look you're going for. So there is also the desktop content position. So I've made this bottom center, and now the text overlay looks much better. And down below there is the color scheme and a bunch of other options. If we come to the home page in the header section and say, for example, we want to change the scheme, we can do it from here. Now let's go ahead and change this text. So we will be changing it to something that will complement our store. So maybe home and kitchen, and then we are going to click save. Now we are going to go back and we are going to create the button. Now you can of course move this button around and place wherever you want, but we will change the name of the button. We can maybe call it just shop or shop all in caps. And that is how you add banner to your Shopify store. If you're interested in more Shopify or Shopify setup videos, I will leave some helpful links in my description box below for you to get started with your Shopify journey. If this tutorial was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.